today I'm gonna go into my forest behind my house and see if I can find some good branches that I can use for my parrots to climb on. I have an app that tells me what tree is what because I'm not a tree guy, botanist or whatever you call it. So wish me good luck. Okay, so this is called a spice bush, it says in my app. So I will take half of that so the tree can keep living because it said it was safe, and then I'll keep looking. Okay, so I got two really good branches off. This is a spice bush tree, and this is a beech tree, which I both made sure that they're safe. I'm gonna most likely trim most of these off and just have the basic one, and then put those two together and make like a tree for them, for especially Olivia to climb around in. Okay, so done with the first one. That's the beech tree. I left a couple branches on there that I thought maybe could support maybe Olivia, maybe Milo. Milo's, I mean, he's heavy, but it's not that heavy. And they'll have fun crawling around. He's probably just gonna bite him off, but hey, it'll be half an hour of fun. Okay, so this is the second tree. The beech tree, the spice bush I decided to leave almost intact because it's almost like an umbrella. I thought it was kind of cool, and maybe Olivia will really enjoy this. And if she doesn't, I can always still cut it. So I will see if I can fix it now, because I don't think I need to actually let it dry out. I think they're very clean. They're in my backyard. I'm gonna wash them off, but I think I can fix them this way. Okay, starting to look pretty good. The first one is attached. And then the rope goes right here. I could put some toys, I guess. We'll see. Yeah. Okay. What do you guys think? So now they can dry in the sun. I can have the birds go on it maybe once while the leaves are still on it, but then probably the leaves will fall off because it's dry, obviously. And then I can trim it to what I want, and let's see how long it lasts, because Milo is probably gonna just clip them all off. But hey, it looks really pretty. It gives me a shady spot to sit in. And the kids, I say kids because my birds are like my kids, can play in it. Oh, look at, see, this is exactly why I did it, so that she can climb around. Yay! See, she's little. She can use the little skinny branches. Hi, Milo. What is this? Nice. Is this cool? See? You're being a bird? Yes. Hello. Hello. Hi, baby. Hello. Hi. Oh, you want to step up? Olivia. Have fun. Olivia. Milo. Hello. Keep sign. Looks like Olivia's having fun. Yeah, she's just picking off all the leaves. And you? You just keep looking at me because you want me to pick you up. Hi, baby. Hi. Olivia. All right, come on, step up. That's my good boy. All right, what are you gonna say hi to the camera? Kisses. Thank you. Hi. Hi. Big and tall. Hi. Big and tall. Olivia is like the tree life. Love it. What are you doing, silly boy? What are you doing? You want to try it out? You want to try it out? You want to try the tree? No. Yay! Swinging. Woohoo! Wee! Is that fun? You like it? I hope you like what I do, and please subscribe to my channel. I have new ideas and other things that I post information all the time. So please subscribe and like, and maybe tell a friend. Thank you. Have a good night, good morning, good evening, whenever you are.